Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking experience, the Nuwave 3-piece 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch forged lightweight frying pan set. If you've been on the hunt for durable, healthy, and high-performing pans, this set might just be your next culinary companion. Let's start with the core of what makes these pans stand out, their construction. Nuwave boasts premium forged construction. This isn't just a buzzword. Forging is a process that makes metal stronger and more durable, yet the company emphasizes that these pans remain lightweight and easy to handle. This is a crucial balance for any home cook. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, the ability to maneuver a pan with ease, especially when flipping delicate ingredients, makes a significant difference. They describe them as works of art where form meets function, and they are constructed to perform well under any situation at any skill level. That's a bold claim, and we'll see if they live up to it. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the coating. This set features what Nuwave calls healthy Duralon Blue coating, which is their Gen 10 ceramic ultra non-stick surface. What's really important here is what it contains. This coating is eco-friendly and free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a huge plus for anyone concerned about the health implications of cooking with certain non-stick materials. Furthermore, it doesn't emit toxic gases at higher temperatures, which is a significant safety consideration. Nuwave has been perfecting their Duralon ceramic coating for over a decade, and the Gen10 Duralon Blue is presented as an exceptional advancement. It's designed to heat fast and evenly, release food effortlessly, and be extraordinarily durable. The hardness of this coating is rated at 9H, which is remarkably close to diamond at 10H. This high hardness rating translates to excellent resistance against abrasion and corrosion, meaning your pans should resist chipping and discoloration, and importantly, retain their non-stick properties for a longer period. Another fascinating feature of the Duralon Blue coating is its ability to promote infrared radiant heat. Nuwave claims it can generate up to 92% more far infrared radiant heat within the cookware. This type of heat penetrates food from both the inside and outside simultaneously, which they say leaves food moist and flavorful. This is an interesting concept that could lead to some truly delicious results. Performance on the stovetop is also a major selling point. Every frying pan in this set is induction ready. They achieve this by bonding and reinforcing the bottom with an anti-warp stainless steel plate. This not only makes them compatible with induction cooktops but also ensures fast, even heat distribution and superior heat retention, regardless of the temperature. And for those who use gas or electric stoves, fear not, as they are safe for all cooktops. The versatility extends beyond the stovetop as well. These pans are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for a seamless transition from searing on the stove to finishing in the oven. Let's not forget the handles. The ergonomic Stay-Cool stainless steel handles are designed for comfort and safety. They are described as anti-fatigue, lightweight yet sturdy, and feature a built-in heat diffuser to keep the grips reasonably cooler for longer. This is a critical design element that often gets overlooked. A comfortable and safe handle can make all the difference during extended cooking sessions. Finally, the cleanup. The ultra non-stick Duralon Blue ceramic coating is designed for superior food release, standing up to everyday use. Food should slide smoothly off the surface, making cleanup a breeze. This, coupled with the durability and healthy coating, really rounds out the package. So, what are the pros and cons of this Nuwave frying pan set? On the pro side, the forged construction offers durability and a lightweight feel. The Duralon Blue ceramic coating is a significant advantage for health-conscious cooks, being free from harmful chemicals. The impressive 9H hardness suggests excellent scratch and wear resistance. The induction readiness and compatibility with all cooktops, along with oven safety, offer great versatility. The infrared radiant heat feature is an intriguing bonus for enhancing flavor and moisture. And finally, the ergonomic, Stay-Cool handles contribute to a comfortable and safe cooking experience. For cons, while the company claims exceptional durability, ceramic coatings can, over time, eventually wear down, especially with improper care. We'll need to see how they hold up after extended use. The infrared radiant heat claim is also something that will need to be tested and experienced to fully appreciate its impact. And, as with any new cookware, there's a learning curve to mastering its heat distribution and non-stick properties to their fullest potential. In conclusion, the Nuwave 3-piece forged lightweight frying pan set with its Duralon Blue ceramic coating presents a compelling option for home cooks. It balances durability, health-conscious materials, and performance across various cooking methods. If you're looking to upgrade your frying pans with a focus on healthy cooking and versatile functionality, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.